completely removed using a chemical stripper and power sander. Now the cabinet will be stained. In a first thick coat that would be worked into the grain, the brush would then be cleaned off and the stain will be worked in together to provide a level finish, uniform look throughout the entire inside panel of the door. Jerry is using a 180 grit sandpaper to lightly remove the top coat of the stained cabinetry. Once he's completed, the cabinetry will be cleaned. Some of the areas will be touched up with stain, and then a full coat of polyurethane will be put across the top of it to provide a uniform finish. The door has now been completely stained. We'll let it dry overnight for approximately 12 to 16 hours and apply a coat of oil-based polyurethane as the third and final step. The restoration process of stain removal and/or sanding has been complete. All of the doors or cabinet bases have been stained and sealed, and here is the finished product.